Now, it's a beautiful looking Ultrabook tablet, call it whatever, but the real thing is that the pricing actually kills it. Anyways, Samsung Galaxy Grand Duos was a super hit smartphone in 2013, and now Samsung has come out with a version 2.0. So next up, Ankit Gupta gets you a review of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 Duos.
Right, Siddharth, I have the Galaxy Grand Duo 2 in my hand, which is the successor to the highly popular Samsung Galaxy Grand. But before I get into reviewing this phone, let's look at the specifications of this phone.
After the much successful Samsung Galaxy Grand Duos, Samsung has come out with the all-new Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. It has a 5.25-inch TFT display up front, which is half HD and not a full HD touchscreen. Grand 2 is now powered by a 1.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor with 1.5 GB of RAM and runs on Android 4.3 Jelly Bean operating system. At the back, you get an 8-megapixel snapper that is capable of doing 1080p HD videos. Galaxy Grand 2 Duos, as the name suggests, is a dual SIM smartphone. For connectivity, you get Wi-Fi, 3G, Bluetooth, the works. Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 Duos also has a new magazine UX which looks like Flipboard. To open up magazine UX, all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 Duos is priced at Rs 22,500 on the box, but you can get your hands onto one of these for as low as Rs 21,000.
Okay, so those were the specs of this phone. Now, one of the biggest advantages of the Samsung Galaxy Grand Duo 2 is that it has a 2600 mAh battery, which according to Samsung gives 17 hours of talk time or battery life. But I only got 11 hours. The other great thing on this phone is the shiny bezel on the side. Now this looks great at the first glance, but of course the problem comes when you hold it in your hand. You know, the key word here is fake. This is a fake chrome finish. After a few uses, the shiny side will start chipping, making your phone look incredibly bad. One of the major design features of the Galaxy Grand Duo is the no shiny back. Now this back, which you see, looks like a leather bag, but it is not. This is fake leather or pleather finish. Looks great again on the first glance. From a distance, it looks great and gives you that premium leather look. But when you hold it in your hand, as you will, and run your fingers on it, it is nothing but cheap plastic. Now that to me just says bad. My biggest problem on the Galaxy Grand Duo 2 was not the shiny back, not the shiny bezel or the plastic finish. It was the volume rocker. Now the volume rocker is on the left hand side of this phone. Now if you're a right-hander like me, when you use the phone, you hold it like this. I constantly kept on reducing the volume while I was talking on the phone. On the other hand, if you're left-handed, because of the power button on the right-hand side of the phone, you will face problems in turning your phone off constantly. Now those are very big design problems. Performance-wise, the phone has 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon processor. Now this sounds really great, but when you play an HD game, the phone will lag. Also, the touch UI of the phone will ensure that there is a bloated performance. Some of the apps will work just fine, but after a while of constantly using them, yes, the phone will lag. Also, the phone has the great Samsung Galaxy Note feature, such as a multitask window. You can open 2 different apps at the same time, work with them. It works great with like WhatsApp or a BBM app, but as you will use after 10 or 15 minutes, you will find noticeable lags in the apps. That is a great problem. The camera on this phone is just about average, 8 megapixel at the back and 2 megapixel on the front. Now this was great when Samsung had launched its Galaxy S2 because this is the same feature as that phone. But in today's day and age, 8 megapixel at the back and 2 in the front does not cut it. Also, the picture quality is just average. Sadly, average. The phone is priced at 21,000 rupees and I'm afraid that is way too much money for this phone. Today you can find a better phone which will give you bigger bang for your buck.